How to add the flashlight to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then tap on the left-hand side panel. In the lock screen, we go down and tap on either the left or the right icon. In here, normally it is set to camera. Now you can go down and replace it with flashlight. So here you got the phone application. You can see the flashlight already has been selected. So what you can do is set it to camera if you like to keep the camera and replace the phone app with the flashlight. And after that, tap on the done button to save the changes, and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the lock screen, to quickly open up the flashlight, just swipe on it and that will turn on the flashlight. And that will allow you to switch it off when you swipe on it. Swipe on it to toggle it on, and then swipe on it again to toggle the flashlight off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.